Welcome to your intermediate English class. Tell me, when was the last time you had to introduce yourself? Do you ever have to introduce yourself as a representative of your company? When? To whom? Think about your answers, and today, let's introduce ourselves in different business situations. Look at the picture over here. Where are these women? They are in the reception area, right? Look at the conversation. Good morning. My name is Teresa Sanchez. I'm here to see Glenn Burke. He's expecting me. Of course, Miss Sanchez. I'll tell him you're here. Check. Is the woman telling the receptionist her name? Yes, right? She's introducing herself. And check. Does Mr. Burke know that Miss Sanchez is visiting him? Yes, he's expecting her. When you talk to your boss, can you enter to his or her office directly and talk to him or her? In some cases, yes. In other cases, you need to request a meeting. Or in some cases, you need to send a meeting request. Let's check another situation and practice some listening. We're going to hear some people introducing themselves. Pay attention and tell me what type of situation is this. Let's listen.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, please, have a seat.
Thanks. My name's Bill Jameson. I'm new to the company. I started yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Bill. I'm Rob Fowler, and this is Maya Lee.
Hi, nice to meet you, Bill.
So, what department are you in, Bill?
The design department. How about you two?
I'm in sales.
And I'm in marketing.
Maya in marketing. Lois asked me to get together with you to talk about the changes you'd like us to make to the new ad designs.
Great. Let me check my calendar, and I'll send you a meeting request, okay?
Sounds good. Thanks, Maya.
So the situation is very simple over here. We have a new employee, Bill, introducing himself to two new colleagues, Maya and Rob. Now let's listen to the conversation again and complete the information in these sentences. Use the information from the audio. Pay a lot of attention. Let's listen again.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, please, have a seat.
Thanks. My name's Bill Jameson. I'm new to the company. I started yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Bill. I'm Rob Fowler, and this is Maya Lee.
Hi, nice to meet you, Bill.
So, what department are you in, Bill?
The design department. How about you two?
I'm in sales.
And I'm in marketing.
Maya in marketing. Lois asked me to get together with you to talk about the changes you'd like us to make to the new ad designs.
Great. Let me check my calendar, and I'll send you a meeting request, okay?
Sounds good. Thanks, Maya.
All right, so according to the audio, the information goes like this. Bill started working at the company yesterday. He works in the design department. Rob, the colleague, works in the sales department, and Maya, the other colleague, works in marketing. Lois asked Bill to get together with Maya to talk about the new ads designs. Maya will send Bill a meeting request. Now, let's continue practicing and check some sentences over here. Tell me if they are similar or different in any way. I drive to work every morning. I am driving to work now. I'm driving to Boston tomorrow. If you notice, we have the same action in the three sentences. Drive, drive, drive. But the idea is different. In the first one, we talk about an action that we repeat, a habit. I drive to work every morning. The second one indicates an action happening right now, in this moment. I am driving to work now. And the last one indicates a plan for the future. I'm driving to Boston tomorrow. Let's remember how we can create sentences like this. If you want to talk about general information or habits, activities you repeat, we need to use simple present. For example, I drive to work every morning. Sarah works at Ferguson's. The sales reps meet once a month. All of this is general information or habits, activities that you repeat. So we need to use simple present. If you want to talk about actions happening at this moment, right now, we need to use present progressive or present continuous. I am driving to work now. Sarah is working now. They are meeting now. But if you remember, we can also use present continuous or present progressive to talk about plans in the future. The only difference is your context. Look at examples. I'm driving to Boston tomorrow. She's working this weekend too. They're meeting again next month. The context or the time expression is going to indicate if you talk about an action in this moment or a plan for the future. Let's continue practicing. Remember, the goal for this class is to introduce ourselves in different business situations. Let's check these 3 different situations and help me complete the conversations with the options we have on the bottom. Let's go to conversation 1. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm Susan Daly. Are you new here? An appropriate response can be, yes, I am. I just started last week. My name is Ted Larson. Pause the video if you need to check the rest of the options from the list. Let's continue. Good to meet you, Ted. Welcome to the company. Let's go to the second conversation. Are you enjoying the conference? An appropriate response can be, yes, I am. I've seen some interesting presentations. My name is Jack O'Rourke, by the way. And the response for this can be, I'm Amelia Vargas. Nice to meet you. Finally, nice to meet you too. Let's go to the last conversation. Conversation 3. I'm afraid I have to go. I'm giving a presentation soon. Well, it was nice meeting you. Well, it was nice meeting you, Lisa. Good luck with your presentation. Finally, thank you, Stan. It was nice talking to you. There you go. You have 3 different conversations and examples of people introducing themselves in business situations. Now let's go to the final practice to use everything we checked today. Choose one of the situations below and practice introducing yourself. Let's check the 3 different situations. Number 1. You started working at a large company today. It's your first day. Introduce yourself to one of your new colleagues and find out what he or she does. Situation 2. You are at an international conference, taking a coffee break between presentations. Introduce yourself to one of the other conference participants. Or situation 3. You're about to give a presentation. Introduce yourself and say a few words about yourself and what you do. Choose one of the situations and write on the comments. I'll give you any comments or feedback I can give. Now, here is my example. I selected the situation 1. So my conversation goes like this. Hi, I don't think we've met before. I'm teacher Eddy. It's my first day here. Good to meet you, Eddy. Welcome to the company. Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be part of the team. What department do you work in? There you go. Now, remember to write your example to continue practicing. And as always, thank you so much for your comments, for liking, for subscribing, and for sharing this video with somebody who needs it. Now, I will see you next class. Until then, keep practicing. Bye-bye.